Trending way how to boost your views on YouTube channel. Increasing views on YouTube requires a combination of strategic planning and engaging content.
Here are some tips. Quality content. Create high quality, relevant, and engaging videos that resonate with your target audience. The better your content, the more likely it is to be shared and watched.
Trending topics. Cover trending topics or current events that are relevant to your niche.
This increases the likelihood of your video being found by users searching for related content.
Eye-catching thumbnails. Design visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent the video's content.
A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase click-through rates. Catchy titles craft attention. Grabbing titles that spark curiosity and clearly convey the video's content.
Avoid clickbait, as it can harm your channel's credibility. Optimize video descriptions and tags. Use relevant keywords in your video description and tags to make your video discoverable through search engines and YouTube's algorithm.
Engaging introduction. Hook viewers within the first few seconds. A captivating introduction can encourage viewers to stay and watch the entire video. Consistent upload schedule. Maintain a consistent schedule for uploading videos. This helps build anticipation among your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Collaborations. Collaborate with other content creators in your niche. Cross-promotion can introduce your channel to new audiences and increase your visibility. Community engagement. Respond to comments and engage with your audience.
This fosters a sense of community and encourages viewers to become subscribers. Promotion on social media. Share your videos on various social media platforms to increase visibility and attract viewers who might not be active on YouTube. Playlists. Organize your videos into playlists based on themes. This encourages viewers to watch multiple videos in one sitting, boosting overall watch time. Utilize cards and end screens. Use YouTube's interactive features like cards and end screens to direct viewers to other videos or playlists on your channel.
Encourage subscriptions. Include a call to action asking viewers to subscribe to your channel.
Subscribers are more likely to see your new content and share it.
Engage with trends. Create content that rides on popular trends, challenges, or memes, but ensure it aligns with your channel's identity.
Promote long watch time. Longer videos can lead to higher watch times, which positively impacts your video's ranking in YouTube's algorithm. Remember, success on YouTube takes time and dedication. Focus on providing value to your audience, adapting to trends, and continuously improving your content.
If you like this video,
please like and subscribe.